So this is the 2014 Junior Cert Ordinary Level question 12, and it said Z is a set of integers. Explain what an integer is. So Z is just a symbol to symbolize that it's an integer. Explain what an integer is. So an integer is a positive. So integers are positive and negative whole numbers. So they have to be whole. They can't be like decimals. Positive and negative whole numbers. So integers are positive and negative whole numbers. We need to know this for our exam. And then it says solve the inequality. Minus 7 plus 2x is less than or equal to 1, where x is an element of z. This here thing in maths terms, what it means is x is an element of z, But an element just means is one of z. So x is one of z. But what is z? X is one of the integers. So this kind of piece here that might look a bit complicated, it just means x is an integer. So we know x is a positive and negative whole. Could be a positive and negative whole number. So now I'm going to deal with this part here. So what I want to do is get anything with letters on, x's on the left and then numbers on the right. So the only time my inequality, so firstly I already have my 2x on the left, so I want to get my 7 over here. So what I can do is I can plus 7 on both sides, because then that will go to 0. Or I can say if I'm minusing 7 on one side and I move it to the other side, I'm going to be plussing. So 2x is less than or equal to 1 plus 7, and then I can add my 1 and my 7 together, so 2x is less than or equal to 8. So then what I have to do is I have to divide both sides by 2 to get what x is, so x divided by 2, so x is less than or equal to 4. So now what I was asked to do is I was asked so x is less than or equal to 4. So I was asked to graph on a number line. So say if I want to graph this, I'm just going to have to write out my number line. So we just have to do out a number line. So just get the number line that they gave us in the exam, so I'm having the exact one that you have. 1 second. The number line is just get the 1 second. X is, so where is it? So 1 second. So we have to say that x, so this is our number line that we're given here. So we're given 8, 7, 6, so my number line isn't great, 5, 4, so I might have to extend my number line. I'll draw a different one. So the lowest number is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. So they actually draw it exactly like this. So they ask graph your solution on the number line. So x is less than or equal to 4. So x could be equal to 4, but it's everything less than. So it could be equal to 4, so we circle in on 4, but it's less than or equal to 4, so it could be also 3. It could also be 2. It could also be 1 or 0 or -1 or -2. And that is our solution set for our number line. So we're saying x is less than or equal to 4. And that is our answer for that. Thank you.